I'm here because I'm going to talk about the living wage and job opportunities in Newtown, Grangetown and Riverside. And this interested me because there are lots of young people aged 18 to 25 who are unemployed or not in training. And this event is a great chance for them to get involved in certain aspects of those.
And I really wanted to get involved because I wanted to promote awareness of the people who live in Grangetown and Newtown and Riverside area, and how sometimes we're deprived of the kind of connections coming from an ethnic minority background. And I was really hoping that this event is really going to push our cause forward and have our voices heard. So